Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I straighten my hair step by step. So stay tuned and let's get started. So you guys can already see my hair are really wavy. So I really need to straighten my hair. I was going to straighten my hair. So I thought why not to shoot a video. So this will be the serum that I'll be applying before straightening my hair. I don't prefer applying the serum after straightening because the hair becomes very sticky and I don't like it. So we'll take few drops of it. As you can see, I am applying it all over my hair. So first I'm gonna do this side. So I will tie this part so that it doesn't come in between. And done here. Now I'll take this part, the front part, and then we'll clip the other parts. So now I'll be taking this Philips Salon Straight Active Lawn Straightener. This is really nice straightener. I have been using this straightener since 2 years. It's really amazing. It won't damage your hair. It's really nice. I'll take small bits first and then go on the big bit. I will have to straighten it 2 to 3 times. Then only I will get perfect straight hair. Now I will remove the other part out. I'll take small part. Then again wrap it up. So you can see the difference, and I've done this portion. Now again we'll take the other half. This is the only procedure you have to do for perfect straightening. Otherwise half of your hair will be straight and other half will be a little bit wavy, so it won't look good. So you have to make sure it looks good. So you have to take these steps. You can see I'm again and again straightening the first part too, because that's also important. It needs more than 5 layers to straighten it. So it's really important. You don't have to like just stroke it once and then you are done. No, it won't happen. Don't forget the back portion of your hair. So as you can see, I'm done with my straightening and it looks good. So yeah, you can see. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of the videos, whatever I will be posting every Monday.